So we're still open on weekends, but of course with the coronavirus, no one is out and about. And so I thought I'd make a couple of little videos to show you what you would see if you could come out to our exhibition houses. We've got 3 exhibition houses here in Emu Plains, one in Brisbane and one in Melbourne. I thought I might do little coronavirus special tours. This one's the Elizabeth. It's the Elizabeth. It's a very popular design. It's one of our stalwarts. We've recently redesigned it, so we've got the living room and the kitchen as the centre of the home. Through the windows you can see one of our other exhibition houses, so it looks like the neighbours are really close. That's and the dining room. So the kitchen is sort of the heart of the home, if you like. Looking back this way, it's got a nice island in the middle of it. You don't have to have it in blue if you don't want to. It's a bit of a feature, but you can have it in whatever colour you like. Everything is fully configurable, so our standard designs are really just suggestions of what you could do. We've got bulkheads above the kitchen. All of our drawers and cupboards are soft close. Standard. Something outside. The hinges are headage, and the appliances are by Fisher and Paykel. That's just who we use. I'll show you the pantry. The pantry is nice and look. Got some shelves, and it's also got some drawers, which, like the others, are also soft close. Alright, that's the kitchen. I think I might break these videos up into small pieces. So I'll do another one in a moment.